Now, we will show you various ways for using these 5 types of water that the Levluck Kangen 8 produces. Kangen water makes drinking water and meals tastier. Kangen water helps to balance an overly acidic diet. Kangen water also gives brewed coffee or tea a wonderfully mild flavor. It brings out the flavor and fragrance of soups and stews, reducing the need for salt. Add Kangen water to alcohol with a high acid content, such as whiskey, for a smoother, milder flavor. Clean water is safe water. The water filter removes chlorine taste and odor and particulates 5 micron and larger to supply delicious, pH-neutral water. Don't forget to use clean water when taking medication. This clean water is best for your baby formula. Beauty water is beauty-enhancing water. Beauty water helps to tighten pores and tones your skin after taking a bath or washing your face. In addition, beauty water may also be used for polishing eyeglasses and for washing glasses and dishes. Strong Kangen water is not just water, but eco-friendly water that has an effect similar to detergent. Strong Kangen water can clean food and wash grease off fans and range hoods. It also works very well when cleaning cutting boards and dishes. Strong acidic water has excellent sterilizing properties that can even prevent food poisoning. It can be used effectively for washing hands, as well as for cleaning and disinfecting in the kitchen area. Strong Kangen water can help keep your family healthy. Levluck Kangen 8 has the power to change your life with Kangen water. It's time to produce delicious and healthy water at home. Make the most of these 5 types of electrolyzed water. For more details, please contact your dealer or any of our offices on the list.